Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can cancel subscriptions on iPhone. Well, to do that, it's pretty simple. You just need to open your iPhone setting and click on your iPhone's name at the top. So mine is Jake, so I will click on that. From inside here, you will see a section called subscription, which is going to be the fourth option. Click on it. From inside subscription, it's going to show you all the subscription which you have, and it's going to look something like this. It's going to show you your active and inactive subscriptions. So since I only have inactive subscriptions, it shows me that. But let's say I wanted to cancel one of the subscriptions. I can click on one of the subscriptions. So just for this video's example, I will click on weather high def radar. So right now this subscription is already over for me, but for an example, if this subscription was still available for me, there was going to be a red button called cancel subscription. I could have just clicked on that red cancel subscription button, and the subscription for this weather high def radar would have been cancelled. So that is the steps you need to do. And remember, just because you cancel the subscription doesn't mean you're going to get your money back. So the money you spend is going to be spent. You're not going to get it back. The subscription is only going to get cancelled. So I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.